Hello everyone, I've got an unexpected video for you because I've just received this parcel and I started unboxing it and thought, hang on a minute, I need to film this. So that's why I'm out of breath, because I've just ran upstairs to get my phone and I'm back again. This is from Laura's Art Corner. My very dear friend Laura has sent me a box of goodies. And she told me, she said it's not for, reviewing or anything like that. It's because she loves me and I'm a friend. Isn't that sweet? I'm not going to show you the card, but inside it's very nice what she's written. Yeah, what a lovely, lovely lady she is and a dear friend. So I'm going to show you some of the things that you can find in store over at Laura's Art Corner, even though she said not to. So let's have a look at what we've got. Well, she's been telling me, oh, look at this. I'm mid-project. Anyway, she's told me about this pigment before. Red pigments are so hard to get. And apparently this candy apple blossom is perfect if you want a nice red. So that's a really pretty mica powder, isn't it, that? Right. We have blue essence glitter. Oh, Laura, you're so kind. These are so beautiful. Winter goddess glitter. Silver goddess glitter. My goodness, Laura. Opal goddess, all these goddesses. That's gorgeous, isn't it? And, ooh, I like that. Silver essence glitter. That's really unusual. It's like the glitter itself. Don't know if you can see. I'll try it. Let me just focus, bring it up. The little pieces of glitter themselves look like they're actually made of glittery material. Does that make sense? So it's glitter on glitter. That's really cool. I like that. So let's focus again. There we go. There's all sorts in here. What's this? Red poppy. Oh, I do like this red. This reminds me of, well, obviously a poppy is quite orangey red, isn't it? But a robin's breast, robin red breast. Yeah, that's cool. Do you know robin redbreasts? Here's a fact for you. Robin redbreasts have got orange chests, haven't they? But they're called robin redbreast because they were named before the colour orange was named. Yeah. So they were around before the name of orange came about. So I believe someone might tell me I'm wrong, but never mind. Lily of the Valley. Oh, Laura, you know what I like. You know what I like. I like green. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. This, I think, Laura said it's called a bubble wand. It's a little gift she's sent me. I'm going to have to see how that works. It's for getting the bubbles out at the bottom. Shall we open it? Let's open it. Thank you, Laura. That's so sweet because you know about my constant battle with bubbles, don't you? They are a bit of a nightmare for me. It's because I live in such a cold place. Everything's always bubbly. The north of England. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. And so that's for, because of the curve, you can get into awkward places. Oh, thank you, Laura. So now, I believe these are the famous Octopus inks that Laura was telling me about. I've got to say, I'm not really up to date with what's popular in the resin world. I tend to live in my own little bubble. And I don't really watch other people's resin videos. should do, shouldn't I, really? But I don't. But apparently these are really, really popular. Yeah, Octopus inks. Let's have a look. Wow, so if you're in the market for some Octopus inks, Laura's Art Corner is the place. Wow, thank you, Laura. Smurf. I like the colour, the name of the colour. Sweet cherry, lemon, Enzian, Smurf, lime. I like that. And we've got another one there. Carrot. Brilliant. Ooh. And there's more. There's still more. Wow. 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 What can I say, Laura? What can I say? Thank you so much, my dear friend. I love you so much. Look at this. Blue poppy. That is a gorgeous blue, isn't it? That's so unusual. And that's one of Laura's own colours. These all are Laura's colours. She has her own range on the website. White allium. Oh, that's nice. Freesia, that's my favourite flower. Freesia. I tried growing some freesias and they were all right, but they never came back again. Anyway, blue thistle. Forget-me-not, another favourite. I've just been drying some of those. I've got loads in the garden at the moment. And cherry blossom. We've also had some cherry blossom. Isn't that funny? Perfect. Oh, thank you, Laura. So, yeah, this was an unexpected video because I had to share my treasures with you, but only in a video. I'm not sharing these with anybody. These are mine, all mine. And I can't wait to start playing with them. So yeah, it was just a little short video and I hope you could hear me all right. I didn't even put my microphone on. And so yeah, I will say goodbye and I will see you again very soon.